really want to go there. We've got renovations to do in our camper, and maybe when it gets a little warmer. We are now headed out. So this is Justin. Hi, Justin. And he's helping today. He's actually doing the work that I have a hard time if I had to do it myself, but I am.
Luckily, it's really soft.
Is this the first one you've ever taken out, or
No.
no?
It's just, they're all different. But they're going to fall down in there.
And then what?
It doesn't look like this is going to go any further down. Looks like that's the limit. Which is good because then you can just set the chair right over. No, there's a wood bottom on the slide.
There's a wood bottom between
they're not-
that
they're
and the
not-
slide.
Yeah, they're not just going to go down in and block it.
Okay. So if I wanted to cut them off,
Technically, this is already inside.
they're
You can cut
already.
it off.
What are they to?
These are probably to your motor for your. Well, these are all your fridge. It'll be your fridge, your the motors for the slide out,
Okay.
and it looks like it's quite a bit more.
I feel like the job got a little too big.
No.
No.
This has been the easiest one I've ever done.
I have more zip ties if you need them.
I mean, if you want to zip tie all these cords, it's fine. I'm just gonna stuff them in there. Those will screw down zip ties.
Yes. Yes, I will. Here, I'm gonna go clean. I'm gonna clean them out. Ready to beat it yet?
What's that? Oh no, it's taking this glue out. It's silicone.
It's silicone that they used. Look at that! Oh, oh! Is that bad news?
What's that? No, it's like dirt. Not mold.
Okay.
No, not so.
Oh, pretty girl.
Did she? You did. Come on. I can't believe this is happening. Just can't. It's getting there. Wow. He'll like it after he, you know, has a small.
Hard neck.
Yeah. And Miss Amanda is helping.
Your carpet cleaner.
Oh, it's right
How
here.
long does it take for it to dry in here, though?
I don't know. I've never done it.
You've never carpet cleaned?
Not here.
Oh.
Nope. Bella?
What's this?
Will it fit? Oh, okay. Here's chair number 1. And now I'm going to be redoing the floor. But until then.
Yeah, could be smart with $400
Smart with $400.
dog.
Oh,
So if you gotta undo that leg, we gotta get the front part in first. See,
Yeah. Come out. Okay. You gotta get the front part.
the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Then we can live a better day. From the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live a better day.